Hi children, today we are going to do an activity, plurals. Let us see what are the requirements. Our today's activity requirements are one A4 sheet paper and few sketch pens, a glue and few strips with nouns. Let us see how to do that. Our A4 sheet should be prepared like this. Our activity is wheels of plurals. So we have some rules to do that. So first wheel we are having the words with add s to make the word plural. Second wheel with words end with x, o, s, ch, sh, double s. For that we have to add es. So we have written here es. The next wheel is the words end with consonant plus y. So drop y and add ies. So which word we are adding here? The plural will be by adding ies. Rules have been written here. So here the last one is words end with f or fe. Drop f and fe and add ves. Let us see how to do the activity. First strip I got is shelf. So it ends with F. So we have to add this word in this wheel. So it will become, the plural will become shelves. We have to remove F and we have to add VES. So it will become shelves. Next word I got is calf. Again ends with F. So we have to fix here in the same wheel. So it will become calves. F we should remove. Next word I got is party. So it ends with Y. So it should be here. So our wheel is here. So we have to remove or drop Y and it will become parties. Next word again I got ability and with Y. So the same wheel. So Y we should remove and it will become abilities. Next word I got is church. It ends with CH. So here the wheel is there with the CH words. We have to add ES to the word, nothing to be removed. So it will become churches. Next word is wife. F-E. Here is the wheel. So F-V, F-E we should remove and we have to add V-E-S. So it will become wives. Next one again we got knife and with F-E. So again the same wheel. So it will become knives by removing F-E and adding V-E-S. Next strip is baby. So it will go here. So Y we should remove and I-E-S we should add. It will become babies. Next one I got again with Y and with the Y letter the word. So again the same wheel. So it will become city, cities. Next word I got is paper. So it should be added only S for the plural. So we will keep in the first wheel. So it will become papers. So next again we got apple. The plural of apple is apples. So only we have to add yes. So again we will keep the same place. Next I got is brush. The word end with sh. So it will be in this wheel. So we have to add es to the word and it will become brushes. Next word we got mango. The word ends with O, so again we have to add es, so we have to keep in the second wheel. It will become mangoes. Next word I got is book. The plural of book is books. Only we have to add yes. Let us keep this word here, the first wheel. Next word I got is lady. The word ends with Y, so we should be added IES, so we will keep here the strip. So it is ladies. Next word is lens, end with yes. So rule is here only, so the plural is lenses. So let us keep the word here. Next we have tree. The plural of tree is trees. So we have to keep in the first wheel, adding only s to the word. Next word we got is thief. So it end with F. So where we should keep the last wheel, because we have to remove F or FE and we have to add VS, it will become thieves. So plural of thief is thieves. Next word I got is cow. So plural of cow is cows. So it will go to the first wheel. So we will keep here cow, cows. Next word we got is bush, end with SH. So it will go to the second wheel and it will become bushes. We have to add ES to the word. Next word I got is fox. That also will go to the same wheel because it ends with X. So we have to add ES to the word. So it will become foxes. Next word we got is boy. So we have to add only S to the word. So it is here boys. Next word I got is dress. So it ends with double S. We have to keep in this wheel, so it will become dresses, adding ES. Next we got town. So a plural of town is towns. Only we have to add ES. Let us keep the strip here. Next word I got family, ends with Y. So it will go here. We have to remove Y and add IES, families. Next word I got cavity. So the word ends with Y. So again the same wheel. So it will become cavities. I got the word box. So plural of box is boxes. We are adding ES to the word. Next word I got leaf, ends with F. So we have to remove F and we have to add VES. The plural of leaf is leaves. Next I got elf. The plural of elf is elves. F we should remove, add VES. Next word I got girl. The plural of girl is girls, only adding S to the word. Next word I got half. F is at the end, so we have to remove F and we have to add BES. It become halves. So last word I got is berry. So ends with Y. So we should remove Y and add IES. So it will become berries. Now our activity sheet is ready. Let us paste these strips. Yes, we have pasted all the strips and wheels of plurals are ready. Now we have to write name, class and subject English. Thank you children. Do the activity.